The basset and the Dobby. Now doing the supers.
Who are they?
The supers.
The Super Sleuths.
Dobby.
That's Darby. Who else is there? Who's that?
Pooh.
Pooh Bear.
Tigger.
Tigger.
And Bus.
And Buster.
No. And the Basset.
And the Busset.
And the Tigger.
And the Tigger.
And the Poopy.
And the Pooh Bear.
And the Lumpy.
And Lumpy.
And
And Squirrels. Who are we missing?
A race. The series.
Anytime, any
race.
place, the Super Sleuths are on the case. Can you say Super Sleuths?
Chris.
Oh, want to say Christopher Robin?
This is the Robin.
Good, the Robin. And can you say it's all better?
It's a better.
It's all better.
Pooh.
Pooh.
Dobby.
And Darby.
Tigger. Dobby. Busset.
Buster.
The kite.
Is that a kite? It's just your keyboard. Your keyboard was growling at you. Who are we missing? Roo? Is Roo missing right now? Where did Roo go?
Where's Robbie? Oh dear, yes, he found it. Super Zeus. Robbie. And the Tigger. And the Dobby. And the Dobby. And the Busset. Oh my, there's the Lumpy.
Oh my, there's the Lumpy.
Oh, okay. A kite.
A kite? No way.
Who get the kite? Here. No Pooh. Pooh get the kite.
Pooh getted the kite? Can you say goodbye, Veronica? Can you wave bye-bye to the camera?
Bye, camera.
Bye, camera.
Oh, you might
Super Sleuth.